Good morning mga Jai, mga Jong, mga guys. Apis itong weather today mga Jai. Look at mga Jai, oh. Maulan na Sunday dere mga Jai. Look at mga Jai, oh. Very ulan. Ano, not very. Ulan, just whole day gusto rin ulan na kayo. Dagom kayo mga Jai, oh. Rin kita rin mga Jai. So, mga langgam ito, mga lupa na sa kanipunta mga langgam. Try na itag. Ayan mga Jai. Updates ating weather is maulan, madagom ang panahon dari mga Jai. Ayan mga Jai, see you later mga Jai. Bye for now. Back mga Jai. Mga Jai, okay. Naglapwa ko pork belly mga Jai. Kaya mag-adobo na po mga Jai. Wala ko lain na unaan. Luto ang sudan is pork belly. Adobo mga Jai ba? Mag-adobo na po mga Jai. Yan ang aking ako palatan ang nilapuan pa na kung ano ba. Pamukot na ito ang ating pork mga Jai. Yan mga Jai ang ating pinakuluan nga kuan mga Jai. Yan ating pinakuluang pork belly para sa ating adobo later mga Jai. Yan mga Jai ang ating pork belly. Dalawang big mga Jai ang ating pork belly mga Jai para sa ating adobo mga Jai ba. Yan. Tignan natin, hindi natin siya kung ano mga Jai. Picasso lang. Ganito lang siya mga Jai. Yan. Yan na. Ato dyan pamukon para crispy kayo siya ba. Kasi kanil. Pamuk naman ako na. Pamuk na pero kulang-kulang pag gamay. Pero lumambot ang ating mga kuhan ba. Lumambot ang kanyang meat ba. At saka yung skin para crispy. Saka itong meat, oh. Kailangan lumambot ito para sarap kainin, oh. Yan mga Jai. Hayaan muna natin yan dyan mga Jai. At yung palambutin pa natin. Cook na itong cassava cake. Luto na itong cassava cake natin. Yan ating cassava cake. Dalawa lang yung mga Jai. Malaki man siyang ano. Cassava cake natin. Lagyan ko ng maraming parmesan cheese. Sarap yan. Ayan ang utang Bisaya na ito. Marami kayo itong upan. Perfect kayo ito ang mga Jai. Oh, ito ang cassava cake. Yeah. Pero sa itong utan na ito nga. Bisaya, hurot ang utan mga Jai. Utan, hurot, oy. Hurot na ang utan na mo. Marami, makaigod. Cassava cake natin today. Dara. Yep. Okay, try. Where's your spoon? Ano ko na ba? Hot. Yeah. Cassava cake natin mga Jai. Hindi ko na kayo pinakita pagluto eh. Ano lang siya. I'm full pa man. Kumain na kami ng aming cassava cake namin, oh. Bagay natin. Okay. Lagyan ko na maraming cheese mga Jai. Dami. Ano mga Jai, tapos na tayo magluto. Maglinis naman tayo. Basta hugas naman tayo dito mga Jai. Ayan. Maglinis naman mga Jai ha. Bye for now. Bye for now. Maghugas ako. Maraming hugasin ito. Okay. See you. Kaya na tayo. Yeah, let's go. Let's eat now. Let's eat. Yeah, mga Jai. Kuha niya yung rice with unod. Meat. Yeah, ba? Meat. Kain na ta. Kain na tayo mga guys. Mga Jai. Mga Jong. Let's eat. Kaya na tayo. Yeah, let's go. Let's eat now. Let's eat. Yeah, mga Jai. Kuha niya yung rice with unod. Meat, yeah ba? Meat. Kain na ta. Kain na tayo mga guys. Mga Jai. Mga Jong. Let's eat.
Here, tomato.
Tomatoes, yeah, tomatoes.
Where?
That's it.
Oh boy.
Some there, in the middle. Very big kayo nisang tomato.
Big ones?
Very big, no? This one is big.
Oh.
Big, the tooth is, let's go more bigger. and it's very now
Why is none here yet?
almost ready because the skin is shiny now. Here, oh, here, oh, here. There's also here. Start here now. This one also here. See? Oh, so many here. Did you see?
Here?
Here. Look at here. So many here. Oh, and at behind also. So, see? Oh, lots over here. Oh, did you see?
What is it?
No, lots. Oh, see there over there. Oh, yeah, there. Oh,
Oh.
so many at the
Some
back
more
behind. Yeah.
Oh.
Here also. You didn't see this one down.
Oh, more.
Yeah, so many. Oh,
What is this?
yeah, tomatoes.
French.
Yeah.
Those small ones?
Yeah, I think that is also big variety. This one up in here.
Yeah,
So
oh yeah.
many. It's ready.
That's right. So many branches.
Cover.
Some of these branches have...
After the mga
Ringo,
jay.
come on.
Tinawa na kay siya wala ni ulan de mga jay o pero wala gyapon ni kay dagom pa man.
Now this is going to be a problem now. More grass.
Lexi, overcross na po si Lexi.
Ringo, come here.
Sunday morning here mga jay. Mingaw kayong Sunday diri. Dito mga jay, mingaw mga jay oh. Kaya naulan mangod ganyan ng buntag ba. Sayo sa buntag ga ulan niya. Pero niinit naman po siya. Pero kuan man mga jay. Uy. Airplane. Mingaw sa atong paligid dito sa Netherlands. Mingaw mga jay. Nice na mga jay. Okay, ang grass dere kay yesterday gikuan may dere gimower dere ba. May magmumowing dere every week. Maintenance ba mga jay. Kaya okay kayo, goods kayo. Nice kaya nga itong mga ano. The surroundings the grass is very nice.
Now it's
Surroundings
getting
good,
green.
clean because there's maintenance for the mower, mowing,
Cutting, yeah.
cutting. Yeah.
Come on, guys. Oh,
Let's
come on,
go.
let's go. Come on. Shh. Lexi.
Na. Yan. Coming na mga ano. Yeah. Neighbor's fountain. Over there. Small fountain ba? Neighbor. Uy, Amazon. Amazon delivery mga jay, oh. Oh, wow. Amazon. I will gonna.
No. I don't think so, but if you get Amazon Prime, you have to pay every month. Member.
Member. But if you only order Amazon, order only what you can pick there, whatever you like.
I know. Nikki gets Amazon.
You only pay for your order if you download the apps, and if you like something there, and you like to order, so you will pay. Mga jay, tahimik ang kapaligiran natin dito mga jay, no? Hindi man sila lumalabas. Hindi talaga sila lumalabas mga jay. Sometimes lang sila lumalabas. Makita mo nasa labas sila ba? Sometimes lang. Bihira lang ba? Bihira lang talaga silang lumabas na bahay. At lumabas man sila, naka-car sila. Pag lumabas na pumunta sa store.
Let's go. Hey.
Like that lang mga jay. Ganyan sila mga jay. Ito tahimik. Tahimik mga jay. Sunday. Itong bahay na yan, dyan na bahay yan mga jay. Sa bakasyon man sa ito. At ito is sold naman siguro ito. Open house pa din. I think this house is sold.
Some people I saw inside. Yeah, come
Yeah,
in.
yeah, yeah.
Different car.
Different car. They're looking
Maybe.
for what their
Yeah.
open house. They're looking what's they like. Why your friend did not choose here near the one who
He doesn't
came
need a big house
and
like
visit
this.
the other day?
He's smaller.
Smaller.
buy a smaller
He likes bigger one.
No, he'd buy a smaller one. That's
Smaller.
too big.
Like in the other area,
Yeah, over.
big line of houses and then
Yeah,
the apartment like apartment like that.
Yeah, lined up.
Lined up. Yeah.
Row
Maybe
house.
this kind of house is expensive, but that's why he did not get. He likes that one.
I don't know. No, it's cheaper, not so much.
Cheaper that one. That one in
Yeah,
apartment.
Not this. This is more money.
Apartment type ba? Steve and Karen, do you have a vacation? They have a vacation.
No, they go home. They have a home.
They have a home in
Michigan.
Michigan. Visit.
They come here.
They will come back
Visit.
here.
No, they come here.
Tapos kami mga Jay sa dog. Tapos namin din kami kumain ng aking adobo mga Jay. Kaya, nakatukat may malunggay mga Jay. Oh. Ang malaki mga dahon mga Jay ba. Kinuhanan ko na yan mga Jay. Kuha ko ng dahon na yan. Sarap-sarap. Ang utan ko yesterday na may gata. At namin mga, kuha namin dito. Dami kami mga tomatoes. Ay. Yeah. This is it mga Jay ay. Iba hindi pa man ready ng iba. Ito. Wow. See, perfect mga Jay oh. Chili tomatoes mga Jay oh. Yeah.
Find more.
Tapos na tayo sa dog. Nang-harvest ako mga Jay oh. See you later. Bye for now.
Few moments later.
Mga Jay. Kaya alis na tayo mamaya. Yep. Oh. Kuha na something. Hi, ready na tayo. Lock muna natin sa mga Jay, sa likod ba. Lock natin yung door sa likod. Let's go na mga Jay. Shoes na ako mga Jay, mag-shoes. Let's go now. The curtain. Okay, bye. See you later. Oh. Hala. Forgot akong balon mga Jay. Oh my gosh. Balimtan ng lahat mga Jay. Ayaw ang itong balon mga Jay. Ating mga pagkain ba dito sa ating basket. Okay, lock na natin ang ating house. Lock na muna natin. Okay, lock it up. Yeah. Okay. See you later. The water, did you bring the water? Did you bring the water? The water. Did you bring the water?
The bin.
Ay. There's only a bit. The water is there. I thought you bring the water because you hold it.
This is the story of Ron. As a safety manager at a manufacturing plant, he doesn't
Because you're holding it.
with his coworkers safe from finding ways to
Mga Jay, sa pharmacy na tayo mga Jay. Yeah. Ito sa pharmacy mga Inday. Ito tayo sa pharmacy. Yan, napakatahimik pa mga Jay. Wala pang katao-tao dito. Kami pa suro na una. Ay. Jacket ko mga Jay kasi maulan kanina ba? Baka naman baka ngayon ulan na kayong gabi ang malamig pa. Kaya jacket ako mamaya mga Jay. Sa ibang kami mamaya mga Jay. Sa ibang road kami dadaan. Kaya see you later. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Okay. Mga Jay. So ayan. Mingaw tayo. Tahimik. Tahimik ang lugar natin today. Hindi pa dumating yung mga kasamahan. sa work. Yung mga courier ba? Di pa sa dumating. Maaga kami kasi may kukunin kami ng ibang order, ibang delivery namin ba? Malayo mga Zay. Kaya inagahan na namin para maano namin yung iba, ang address pa. Kasi hindi naman namin alam yung mga Zay. Kailangan mauna ba? See you later. Bye for now. Update lang tayo mga Zay. Ayan o. Ating weather natin. Medyo nahayag-hayag na ba? Lumiwanag na ng konti. Iwan natin mamaya. I don't know. Kasi ang weather update is sinabi na Sunday and Monday daw may rain. Kaya okay naman. Hindi naman siya napunta kami dito. Medyo showering ba? So na wala. Okay na siya. Pero hindi ba natin alam mamaya. Okay. See you later. Going to Berwick tayo mga Zay. Ito ang way natin sa ibang direction tayo ngayon.
Go down Rowan or Illinois.
Yeah. You think that is closer to Bel Air? Easier? Easy. Okay. Because when we follow the map, maybe so many roads to left, right, like that.
Out of
Yep. From Heather Hills, we'll find another way to go back to Bel Air. So, maulan nga panahon. Our weather update mga Zay is like this. Very, very dark. Hold on. Gator Lane, Wilderness Lake. Oh my God. Here, Gator Lane, Wilderness Lake.
what is this?
Oh my God, turkey. Oh my, pelikan. Oh, wait.
Birds.
Ay, birds. It's big birds.
Big
Oh,
birds.
yay. My bag is fall down. Oh my, yeah. Big one too. Wow.
3 or 4 in the
Four.
middle.
Oh yeah. Oh my.
Those are big birds.
Big birds. I don't know if I take that picture, maybe I can secure the side.
Oh, that's somebody in the mine.
And then Crystal.
Pharmacy.
I think you said Crystal is Bear Creek or Heather Hills. Crystal. But Crystal didn't work on Sunday. Yeah.
Wow.
They will give this area to us, to you. Oh my. Yay. Nice, if like that. Very good. I like it. Oh, red lights over there now. Stop tayo. Stop tayo.
We're heading on red lights.
Yeah, we're heading on red lights. So many red lights.
We hit all the green
Oh,
ones
green now.
last
Oh,
week.
thank you. Yeah, it's green.
Green.
Changed to green now. Very good. Very good. So, ito naman tayo. My second time around here this side. It's the second time. Last Sunday and today, this Sunday. Wow. Nobody. But we're always free. We're always got it. Got the Sunday work from others. So very good. Nice. Ahem. Because I'm wearing jacket.
52.
So 52 now. Oh now in Bear Creek mga Zay. Bear Creek na tayo. Ibang lugar. Oh. We're now in Bear Creek Nursing Center. Yep. Yan mga Zay, ang ating view, ang ating video for today. Bear Creek Nursing Center. Yep, here. Bear Creek. See you later. Bear Creek na tayo. Somebody there. Yeah.
One day I got you got your shoes on, thank you. I'm gonna go for it tonight. Yeah. I'm coming out.
Sana Jai. Sit. Yan, dito na tayo sa yan. Okay mga Zay, dito na tayo. No. Something drinks. Throw it away in. Let's go to Heather Hills mga Zay.
Good.
See you later. Update tayo. See you later. Update tayo mamaya. Hills mga Zay. Heather Hills na tayo. And yun. Up there. And there. Oops. Heather Hills. Sa tayo mga Zay. Wala pang tao dito. Kaya kung nasaan sila. Wala pa man.
No, he's not.
Wala pa. Dan mga Zay. Going back to Bel Air. Here. Dan mga Zay, going back na siya sa Bel Air. See you later. Ismila food. Patungo na kami sa pabalik na kami sa Bel Air mga Zay. Nissan mga Zay, oh. Nissan. Yeah, Nissan. Chevrolet mga Zay, oh. Chevrolet Furman. Yan. Red lights pa man tayo. Naka-red lights pa man. Stop sa muna tayo. Beckett Way. Beckett Way ba? There, green lights, green lights. Yap, tayo kita yung kan ni. Tayo around south kita ni siguro, sobra pa. Ford here, Ford. Lois. So I didn't see Sam's here. Lois, Publix, Circle K. This CVS, Walgreens, TJ Maxx, Chili's, what about furniture? Tarpon Lake Center. I think so. Raining down here. Going to Bel Air.
Some slowpoke.
Bel Air. Right now in Bel Air mga Jai. See you later. Yan, Bel Air na tayo mga Jai. There, Bel Air. Yeah. Rain, go away. Raining here. Rain. Oh my, see? Rain. It's raining here mga Jai. Dito lang tayo mga Jai sa loob. Ay. Yep. Yeah, see you later mga Jai. Umuulan dito mga Jai do. From morning, then nawala siya tapos bumalik na naman siya. Ay mga Jai. Time check is 7:14 na mga Jai. 7:14 in the evening here. But look, even madilim ba? Even so, yun na nga mga Jai. Nasap tayo sa KFC. Yan, nag-order tayo ng combo meals. And mga Jai, at saka pinili kong drinks mga Jai is Mountain Dew. That orange orange flavor ba? Sa kanya is root beer. Yan, lagyan namin ng ice mga Jai, oh. Kaya order na tayo dito mga Jai for dinner. Sa Kentucky Fried Chicken. Explain tayo today. Jai. Last delivery natin. Inuna natin yung Bel Air. Last na yung East Bay kasi deliver tayo sa ibang lugar. We're now in East Bay. Hey.
And then some, yes, I'll order this too. Which trilogy is this? Iris. Somebody else ordered that. I always order all the things. Oh wait, this is for her? Alright, is that it?
You got it.
Alright, let's
Last Sunday we reached home 9 something, but now maybe 8 something. 7. We're done mga day. We're done here, so going home now. Yeah, we're done. Done na tayo dito sa East Bay. Uwi na tayo. Go home now. Yay! Thank you so much guys. Update later. Bye for now. Bye-bye. We're now home guys. Yan. And what we will get? We have chicken there babe.
Mark. Yeah.
Okay mga guys, see you later mga guys. Mga guys. Bye bye for now. See you later.